Two IMPD officers booked into jail today in connection to the death of Herman Whitfield III. The judge ordered a $15,000 bond for each of them. WRTV's Rachel Wilkerson in the courtroom with those officers today. She's breaking down what they face.
Our cameras were rolling as IMPD officers Adam Ahmad and Stephen Sanchez made their way into their first court appearance. Ahmad is on the right, Sanchez on the left. Their attorneys argued the $15,000 surety bond the judge ordered wasn't necessary because of their ties to Indianapolis and job security with IMPD. The prosecutor's office argued the two are facing serious allegations. Ahmad and Sanchez are charged with involuntary manslaughter, reckless homicide, and more after Herman Whitfield III was tased twice and died in police custody. That happened on April 25th of 2022. The Marion County Coroner's Office ruled his death as a homicide. The officer's attorney says they believe Ahmad and Sanchez aren't legally responsible for Whitfield's death.
Well, as you can imagine, it's a difficult process to get indicted yesterday and surrender to court today. They believe that they were following their training and acted with no illegality or criminal intent in the situation, and we hope to be able to prove that at trial.
The officers were also ordered not to have contact with the Whitfield family. They're not allowed to have a firearm or deadly weapon outside of their homes. When asked if that will impact their job with IMPD, their attorney said that's up to the department. Metro Police say the officers remain on paid administrative duty while the investigation continues. Moving forward, what is your message to the family and the community?
Well, our heart still goes out to the family. It's a tragedy. There's nothing that's going to change that fact, but I want the community to reserve judgment until both sides have had a chance to present all the evidence at trial on whether or not this is a tragedy or a criminal problem, and we don't think these officers are criminals.
While this case heads to trial, Indy Fraternal Order of Police President Rick Snyder is calling on IMPD's police chief to immediately stop sending patrol officers to mental health calls.
There are officers that are being dispatched on these runs today, tonight, and they need direction and they need support. For quite some time now, no one wants to address mental health issues in our community, and we just dump it into the laps of our police officers when folks are in the middle of a crisis. And we put the officer in the middle of that before we even bring in the medical personnel. And the problem that is with that is you're injecting these officers into the middle of this liability loop of not just civil liability, but also criminal liability.
Rachel Wilkerson, WRTV.
The Fraternal Order of Police is also calling for a supervisor to respond to all mental health runs that IMPD officers go to. Whitfield's family told us yesterday they are somewhat relieved by the charges.